Addition and subtraction of units of time. In this video, we see how we add and subtract the units of time. The units of time are hours and minutes and seconds. These are the units of time. We can use their symbol for hour, HR, for minutes, MIN or T. We add and second, SEC. Now first we see the examples of addition of time. So first example we have 12 hour plus 5 hour. We add them. Here you see the symbols of time, units are same, that is hour, so we simply add their numbers. 12 plus 5 is equal to 17, so the answer is 17 hours. The next example is 6 hour and 14 minutes. We add them with 9 hour 23 minutes. 23 minutes. So here you see that we have two units, hours and minutes. So in this type of addition, first we write their units, that is hour and minute, and then we write their values, that is 6 under hour and 14 under minutes, the first one, and then we write the second one which we have to add, that is 9 hour and 23 minutes. Then we add it. The answer will be 14 plus 23, it gives 4 plus 3, it gives 7, and 2 plus 1 is 3, which is 37 minutes. And here 9 plus 6, it gives 15 hours. So 15 hours and 37 minutes is the answer. The next example is 7 hours 50 minutes, and we add it with 6 hours and 43 minutes. This example is somewhat difficult or different from the above one. Again we write their symbols. Minutes, 7 hours and 50 minutes, and then 6 hours 43 minutes. Here we add them together. Now first we add the minutes. 50 plus 43, it will be 3, and here 9, so 93 minutes. But here one thing which is very important, that the sum of the two values must be 60 minutes here, but here comes 93 minutes. So what we will do, we remove or we subtract 60 from 93 minutes, because the sum of the values must be 60 or less than 60. So here comes 93. After removing 60 from 93, what left? 33. So 33 is the value which we place here instead of 93. The number 60, which we have removed from 93, is equals to 1 hour, so it goes here, it carry here 1 hour, 1 hour plus 1 hour plus 7 hour, it becomes 8, and 8 plus 7, it gives 14. So the answer will be 14 hour 33 minutes. So in this way we solve the addition of units of time. Now next we see the subtraction, how we subtract the values of unit of time. Subtraction. First we have an example for it. 5 hour minus 2 hour. It is also very simple. When we subtract, first see the units are same, that is r and r, so we simply subtract the numbers. 5 minus 2, it gives 3. 3 hours is the answer. The next example, 6 hour 48 minutes. Subtract from 2 hours 26 minutes. Now again we write the symbols first, hour and minutes, and we write the value of the first units, that is 6 hour here and 48 minutes here. The next one is 2 hour and 26. We subtract simply first the minutes. 8 minus 6, it gives 2. Again 4 minus 2, it gives 2 here, 22 minutes. And then the hour, 6 minus 2, it gives 4 hour. So the answer will be 4 hour 22 minutes. The next example is 12 hour 33 minutes minus 9 hours 57 minutes. Again we write the symbol first, hours and minutes, and write the values. 12 hour and 33 minutes, the value of first one, then the units of second, we write the values of it are 9 hours and 57 minutes. Subtract them. Here first we subtract the values of minutes, that is 33 minutes and 57. First you see here that the 33 is the number which is less than 57, so this number carry or borrow 60 minutes from hours. Why 60 minutes? Because this 12 hour gives 1 hour to 33, 1 hour, and 1 hour here will change into 60 minutes. 60 minutes, because 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 60 minutes. So 60 minutes will add with 33. 60 minutes will add with 33. It becomes 3 here 9, 93. So when 60 plus 33 will add, it gives 93. So from 93 we subtract 57, this number. these two numbers will add and then subtract from 57. So what left here? 13. From 13, 7 remove, it becomes 6 here, and here left 8, 3, 36. So 36, we write 36 here, 36 minutes, and here because it gives 1 hour to 33, so here 11 left, so 11 minus 9 gives 2. So 2 hours and 36 minutes will be the answer. One more example of subtraction is 1 hour 17 minutes minus 36 minutes. Here you see we have hour and minute, but in this side we have only minutes. So again we write in the same way hour and minutes, and we write 1 hour 17 minutes under it, and here we do not have hours, so we write 0 here and 36 minutes here, and then we subtract it. Again we have to subtract 17 and 36. 17 is less than 36, so this number will borrow some minutes from hour, and hour gives it to 1 hour, which again change into 1 hour, change into 60 minutes. So 60 minutes will add here. 60 plus 70, it becomes 77. So from 77 we remove 36. Again 7 6 minus 1. Again 7 minus 3, it gives 4. So what we write here? 41. And what we will write here, because there is no hour left, so we write 0. So 0 hours, no hours here, only 41 minutes is the answer. So in this way we solve the problems of addition and subtraction of units of time.